Welcome to the overview of cloud data platforms. In this session, we'll explore the big data services offered by leading cloud providers. We will cover Amazon Web Services, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Let's dive into Amazon Web Services, a leading cloud provider. Amazon Web Services provides a wide array of services for big data solutions. These services can be broadly categorized into storage and processing and analytics and machine learning. Under storage and processing, we have Amazon Simple Storage Service, also known as Amazon S3, Amazon Elastic MapReduce, also known as Amazon EMR, AWS Glue, and Amazon Redshift. Under analytics and machine learning, we have Amazon Athena, Amazon Kinesis, Amazon SageMaker, and AWS Lake Formation. Let's take a closer look at some of the key services offered by Amazon Web Services. First, we have Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is object storage specifically designed for data lakes. Some of its features include virtually unlimited storage, multiple storage classes for cost optimization, and data lifecycle management. Next, we have Amazon EMR. Amazon EMR is a managed Hadoop framework that allows you to process vast amounts of data. It supports various frameworks like Spark, Hadoop, and HBase. It provides features like auto-scaling clusters and cost-effective processing. Now let's explore Microsoft Azure and its big data services. Azure offers a comprehensive suite of tools for data storage, processing, and analytics. These services can be broadly categorized into data storage and processing and analytics. Under data storage, we have Azure Data Lake Storage, Azure Blob Storage, Azure Synapse Analytics, and Azure Cosmos Database. Under processing and analytics, we have Azure HD Insight, Azure Databricks, Azure Stream Analytics, and Azure Data Factory. Let's explore some of the key services offered by Azure. First, we have Azure Data Lake Storage. Azure Data Lake Storage provides scalable data lake storage for all types of data. Key features include hierarchical namespace, multi-protocol access, and enterprise-grade security. Next, we have Azure Synapse Analytics. Azure Synapse Analytics is a unified analytics platform that brings together data warehousing and big data analytics. It includes features like structured query language and Spark pools, data integration capabilities, and real-time analytics. Now let's move on to Google Cloud Platform and its big data offerings. Google Cloud provides a range of services for storing, processing, and analyzing large datasets. These services can be broadly categorized into data storage and processing and machine learning. Under data storage, we have Cloud Storage, BigQuery, Cloud Bigtable, and Cloud Firestore. Under processing and machine learning, we have Dataflow, Dataproc, Pub or Sub, and Vertex AI. Let's explore some of the key services offered by Google Cloud. First, we have BigQuery. BigQuery is a serverless data warehouse that enables fast structured query language queries on massive datasets. Key features include petabyte-scale analytics, standard structured query language queries, and built-in machine learning functions. Next, we have Dataflow. Dataflow is a stream and batch processing service that allows you to transform and analyze data in real time or in batches. It is based on the Apache Beam software development kit and provides features like auto-scaling pipelines and real-time processing capabilities. Let's compare the key strengths of each cloud provider. For Amazon Web Services, its strengths include a mature ecosystem with extensive services, strong data lake capabilities, and flexible pricing models. For Azure, its strengths include enterprise integration focus, hybrid cloud capabilities, and synergy with the Microsoft ecosystem. For Google Cloud, its strengths include a serverless-first approach, advanced machine learning integration, and focus on performance and innovation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.